In this video, I will be telling you about the talker and listener in ROS2. I believe that you are here because you are a beginner and you are trying to learn ROS2 and how to do programming in it, particularly for robotics. I've also started learning ROS2 and I did this first example. I've been learning from online different material I saw on the internet. And I learned this example, so I wanted to record this video so it can also help someone. It will help you. You may already have coded this talker and listener in ROS2, but you may not know what exactly is happening. So this is what I'm going to tell you in this video. So we know this, that in ROS, we have these two uh, built-in examples of learning and not sorry, not learning. For learning, we have this talker and listener. They tell us about publishers, subscribers, nodes, and topics. So let's directly go into the coding because I believe you may already have learned theory in different materials, books, or internet, or other videos. So let's go directly into this coding and write code. So let's write ROS2 demo. Okay, loads, PPT, and we have this talk. So it starts to talk and send this data of hello world to the setup or the environment. Now, next thing is let's open another window, ROS2, and write ROS2 run demo nodes PPT and listen. So we will see that we have a node running to the program. It is sending a data of hello world, and then we have a listener. So it is listening to the code and telling us what actually it is talking about. So we see it starts from hello world 23 because when I was typing this command of ROS2 run demo nodes CPP listener, it took some time. So as soon as I press enter, it started to listen to the data after that. Now let's go to the command. This is important. What I want to teach you is about nodes and topics. So let's see. We have let's see what we have for nodes and topics. So ROS2 nodes node actually nodes. This. So we will see we have a listener and talker is running in the background. And if we talk about ROS2 node node topic list, we will see we have a chatter, paramount, events. So what exactly are these things? Listener and talker, they are node. And what is a node? Node is actually a running program in the back end of the environment. And topic, it is actually a communication channel. So we can see we have three communication channels, that is chatter, parameter events, and out. At the moment, we will talking about chatter and see what it does. So let's write another command to node info. We want to see what actually is happening. So we are talking about node, right? So in node, we have a listener and we have a talker. So let's see what info do we have for talker. We see we have a subscriber, publishers, service servers, and many other stuff. Similarly, we can also publish info of listener, right? So you can see we have information for the listener node. Another thing is we can also publish the information of topic, okay, info of channel. So you will see we have one publisher count and we have one subscription count. What does this mean? This means that Talker is a publisher and we have only one signal or one publisher that is sending an information. And subscription count actually shows us the subscriber, which is listener in this case. It is receiving the information. Now, the key point is if I close this listener, so let's press Control plus C. So now it is not listening to the talker, right? So if I write this command once again, ROS2 topic info of chapter, right? So you will see that now I will have subscription count equal to 0. It should be 0. Let's see. So yes, you can see we have a publisher count, which is actually Stalker, and it is sending information, but we have nothing to receive the information and subscription count becomes zero. Now there are two ways to listen or read the information. So before that, I want to tell you this command of echo. Okay, so whatever you write up after this echo, that is actually printed as it is. So let's write logging is vote. So you can see let's vote. Let's write another command. World Cup 2026 is win. You see, it is published as it is. So I will use this echo command to read the information sent by the talker. How can we do that? Let's do topic echo chatter. Okay. Now you will see ROS2 topic echo chatter. So ROS2 is actually a command. We are working in ROS2 topic. All this is a communication channel. And echo actually prints the information that will be available in the communication channel of chatter. So you will see now we have this information of hello world printed as it is in real world. Now, in order to see that, how many publisher count do we have? We know this. We have only one, that is a talker. And now let's see if we have a subscription count equal to 0, 1, or 2. So we will open the 1, 2 tab. It's 2, right? We saw here that we have subscription count equal to 0 because we had closed the listener. So now we have this command of echo and it is showing us hello world again. So we must have a subscription count equal to 1. So in the next tab, ROS2, quick info of chatter. So you see here, sorry, you see here, publisher count equal to 1, subscription count equal to 1. Now, the important part, this video is that we have a listener closed here. We are reading the information using this echo command. What happens if I introduce this command of listener again? ROS2 run demo nodes dbt. I think it's the command. Let's see. I'm also learning, so I might make mistakes while typing these commands. But let's see. Yeah, it is reading the information again. So now we have two listeners. I should not use the word listener because we have one listener and another command of echo that is reading the information. So we have two subscribers. One is this listener, one is the command of echo. How we will verify that? We will verify it over here again. I can simply press this arrow, which will give me the previous command, but I'm going to type it so I can get some practice. This command. So ROS2 topic info chatter. Now, before pressing enter, what we have a talker that is a publisher. So its count is equal to 1. We have a listener and we also have an echo command running in real time to read the information. You can see over here, cross topic, echo chatter. So it is reading the information. Similarly, listener is also listening. So we have 2 subscribers. So after writing this command, let's press enter and see if we have 1 and 2 values. So you can see publisher count is 1, subscription count is 2. So this is the whole concept behind the scoring of listener and talker, which is usually not taught in the AI agents. Maybe you learned it in ChatGPT, DeepSeek, or saw it in other videos. Mostly nobody discusses this basic information. So what we learned is that ROS nodes communicate through topics, where a publisher node sends messages and subscriber nodes receive them without needing any direct knowledge of each other. Okay, so we have chatter topic and we have a publish. We have a chatter, which is a topic. We have a publisher, which is a talker. And also we added this echo command, which is also a subscriber. Okay, so we have one publisher, stop talker, and we have 2 subscriber. One of them is listener and another one is echo command. If there is any question or if I made any mistake over here, please do not hesitate to leave that in the comment and let's learn together.